just been packing. Welcome back. I just got home and it is currently 5:40 in the morning right now. Not morning. It's currently 5:40 in the afternoon and my flight is in exactly 12 hours. I'm flying to New York super last minute because I got invited to New York Fashion Week and I'm so excited. My manager was like, hey, by any chance would you be interested in going to Fashion Week this upcoming week? And you're gonna be attending Hunter Boots fashion show and it's a paid event. And to be honest, I really thought about it, but attending New York Fashion Week has been on my to-do list, my bucket list for the longest time, and who am I to say no to this opportunity? I mean, I know for a fact that I'm gonna get invited to Fashion Week in the future, but like, why not take the opportunity now? So I went ahead and booked my flight, and I was actually kind of surprised at how much my flight was, considering I'm flying Delta. And I was like, okay, this is definitely a sign, because I feel like New York Fashion Week can be very expensive. And also, if you guys are not familiar, New York Fashion Week happens twice a year in New York. Obviously, there's one in the beginning of the year, which is in February, and then one in the fall time, which I believe is in like September. So I was like, why not go? So I texted my cousin and I was just like, hey, like, do you mind if I stay with you for a couple days, since this was so last minute and then trying to book a hotel right now would be so expensive? And she was like, yeah, of course. And so she's gonna go with me to the show, because if anything, like, I have been itching to go back to New York and I didn't get to hang out with my cousin the last time I was there, so this is kind of like killing two birds with one stone. I'm going for New York Fashion Week and then I also want to hang out with her. And then I'm flying from New York to Ohio for my friend's wedding. I'm going to Cleveland and I've never been to Ohio, you guys, and I'm so excited, but I'm like nervous because I looked at the weather and it is going to snow on, I think, like Saturday or Sunday. But yeah, so I've just been packing. One thing about me, I will pack using my packing cubes. I literally haven't packed without my packing cubes ever since I got these. I used to have like the beige one. If you guys have been watching my travel vlogs for a while, you know that I like used to have the beige ones. Let me just show you guys like what I have. I wish I filmed it, but I literally have to like start packing now because I'm going to be up at the crack of dawn tomorrow to head to LAX. And I feel like no matter what time it is in LAX, it's always so packed and crazy. So I just want to be able to like rest, to have enough rest for me to wake up at literally like 3 a.m. tomorrow, because my flight leaves at 6 a.m. But not to show you guys my bras and stuff. For the smaller packing cube, I have my socks, undies, and bra in here, and I believe I packed enough. If not, I will be packing more. If there's one thing that you need to overpack, it's undies, because I literally pack underwear like I'm gonna shit myself every single day, knock on wood, because I'm just literally so afraid of like running out of undergarments. So I'm basically going to be out of town for a week and I will pack maybe like 2 weeks worth of undies, maybe like a total of 20, because like I said, like, have the mentality that you're gonna shit your pants every day, so you are not going to run out of undies. On my bigger packing cube, I usually pack here my bottoms and tops, and honestly for this trip I feel like I just need to pack mainly base layers, and my base layers stay the same. Also, I fold clothes pretty fast and very neatly because I used to work at Hollister and Free People, and literally I'm traumatized. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 base layers, but they're literally the same exact thing, and these are the Uniqlo Heat Tech. This is not a sponsored video, but hey, Uniqlo, if you guys see this video, I love your Heat Tech. I literally can't live without them, especially during the colder season. But I have a turtleneck, just a normal long sleeve but in white, a turtleneck in green, not green, oh Jesus, in gray, and then also normal long sleeve. Packing cubes actually like helps so much with organizing and just like saving space in your luggage. Like, I will never not pack without a packing cube. ever again. And in another packing cube, like the large one, I just have like going out tops, like long sleeves and sweaters. I almost forgot to pack workout clothes, so I'm gonna pack 3 days worth because I'm gonna be there Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Accessories, I will be wearing this bag. For shoes, I'm bringing my Uggs, which is downstairs, and then I'm wearing my sneakers for working out, and then I have these little leopard kitten heel for the wedding or for the fashion show. Also, I just got this new little toiletry case, and it comes with 3 different organizers, and I like that you can all like fit them in this clear box, or you can like put something else in the clear, and then you have the different toiletry bag. But I wanted to get this specifically because I am not skipping out on my skincare, and I'm going to be putting them in here. But I love the color, and it just looks like this, and I love the material. Oh, this is so new. I didn't even like know it came with it, but it comes with 2 little bottle, travel size bottle. Pretty spacious in here. I feel like my skincare is gonna fit in here. Then it also comes with this long one. This is gonna be perfect for like my toothbrush, my hair comb, my hairbrush. Then I can also use the other one for like my makeup brushes, but this is the case I'm using for my makeup brushes right now. Everything is in here. It fits perfectly, honestly. So I might just keep it in here and then like add like little knickknacks on here. But this case is from Target, and they have this brown one and a black one, and I got 2 of them. The great thing about these little Target toiletry bags or makeup cases is that it comes in a pack of 2. So it actually came with this tiny one, and I usually keep this in my personal item with me. They have it in this gray one, brown one, and then a black one. All right, so I'm now gonna pack up my makeup and my skincare. We're gonna go ahead and pack up my makeup bag. The makeup bag that I use is from Rare Beauty. They sent this in a PR like a couple months ago, and I have loved it. But honestly, I think I need to downsize or remove some of the products because I don't use everything. And most recently, I haven't been wearing makeup at all because my skin has never looked clearer. I haven't been using all of these products and like remove some of the products that I know for a fact that I'm not going to be wearing on this trip, just to save some space. And also when I go on trips, it's usually the time that I like to try out new makeup. So I went ahead and quickly opened some PR packages because I know that they are makeup products. First one is from One Size Beauty. I believe they sent over the new B12 base thinner primer, or it's like a serum. Ooh, also matches my new nails. And then they also have the Turn Up the Base Infinity Beauty Sponge. We have a package from Tower 28. I definitely will be bringing this with me because it's a lip balm. I think this is an exclusive color for Lunar New Year. Next package we have is from Rare Beauty, and I know that this is their new contour stick, or luminous contour stick, I think it's what it's called, because I've been seeing everyone else's PR. I'm so excited. They sent 3 of the darkest shade. Oh my god, wait, they also included their blushes and highlighter, and like I think this is a new brush. Insane. Okay, I don't know if I've told you guys, but I'm doing a giveaway on my Instagram and TikTok every single month until June. So if you guys want to win some goodies, like 2 of these, because they're honestly too dark for my skin, obviously, and I want to be able to give back to you guys. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok and stay as an active follower so you can win some goodies, because I've already chosen 2 winners for the December and January giveaway, and I've already sent them. I think this is the only shade that I can use. I think I'm going to do the middle one. I'm gonna try this one. We have the Pink Algae Pro Retinol Body Butter and Pink Algae Pro Retinol Face Moisturizer. Ooh, I love all the pink vibes. Next one is from Lawless. This is their Forget the Filler Skin Plumping Line Smoothing Foundation. There's actually so many shades on here. Oh my god. You guys, look at this. Guys, these are my lip stains. I'm obsessed with them. So I just changed out the towel on the bottom of this case because it was disgusting. This is my favorite eyeshadow palette at the moment. It's from YSL. And honestly, all the colors are so good. Like, that's all I really need. And I love me like a warm tone. This mascara has been my favorite one recently. It really like volumizes and keeps my Asian lashes curled all day long. This is the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara, and I specifically get the waterproof because honestly, non-waterproof doesn't keep my lashes curled, and this one, this is my holy grail right now, and it's a drugstore product. Put a little cloth in here so it doesn't stain the bag. I'm just putting my makeup brushes. I took out some, but these are like the ones that I use the most. Up next, I have my skincare bag, and honestly, I haven't touched this because this is everything I need. But I think I'm gonna switch out some since I will be there a little long. But let me show you guys what I have because I have completely switched to all Korean skincare now. There's nothing wrong with American skincare, but I find that my skin loves Korean skincare, and specifically from the brand Skin 1004. This is not a sponsored video. I literally purchased these. I have some of the travel sizes, which is nice because I don't have to carry like the full size, because this is a full size, this is the mini size. With that being said, I have new ones that I want to try on this trip and that I trust that my skin is going to love. First things first, I can attest that this honestly brighten my skin. This is the Madagascar Centella Tone Brightening Cleansing Gel Foam. I literally have so many of these because I'm scared of them running out or selling out. Next one, I have the Hyaluronic Moisture Cream. This is a moisturizer. But speaking of moisturizer, I've heard so many things about the Dr. Altea 3 for 5 Relief Cream. I haven't tried this one personally, but literally everyone is raving about it. You know what I've been loving? The Yuka app. The Yuka app is literally my favorite thing right now because whenever you buy a skincare product and it has a little barcode, you just scan it and it tells you the grade. It's out of 100. If it's 100 out of 100, it's a great product. And then anything less than, honestly, like 70, I don't even try to grab it anymore. But speaking of the Yuka app, the 4 new products that I recently just picked up, some of these are literally 100 out of 100 on the Yuka app, and it tells you exactly what the ingredients are and if it's good for your skin. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can tell. So this is what the Yuka app looks like. You just click it. These are literally all the products I've scanned because it's just so fun to do. Hi. So usually scan this. So, girl, look at that. Look at that. 100 out of 100. I have to be awake in literally less than 10 hours. As soon as I found out that this was 100 100, I purchased 2. One of my New Year's resolutions is to use sunscreen even in the winter time because the sun rays are still hitting, okay? Another one that I got that is 100 out of 100, which let me prove it to you. Scan it. This is not a sponsored video by Yuka app, but hey Yuka, if you want to work with me, hello. Look, another 100 out of 100. So we're gonna try this. How does this look like? I don't even know how this looks like. This sleeping mask is formulated with special hyaluronic and cicaplast and melatonin to provide deep hydration overnight. We're gonna use this because my skin's gonna be so dry where I'm going. This is also another one. I think this got like 80 something on the app, but I want to try because I love the little tea tricka pimple spotting cream from Skin 101. I have 2 more items I want to add in my skincare bag because these are things that I use every single day and I haven't gone a day without like not using them. This is the Caudalie Vinyl Perfect. This one is so good for brightening your dark spots in my opinion. Then I use this for any up and coming breakouts. I kid you not guys, like whenever I see one little teeny tiny thing, like I have 2 of these right here, I put these on because it's just so good. I will also be burning these. These are non-negotiables for me. Also help clear my skin up because I'm not using my towel, like my dirty towel. Even though my towel's not dirty, like it's just very different when you're using something clean for your face every single time you wash it. So I'm gonna use this. I just took off my face makeup, but I do have my mascara still. But I just filled out my bag. Let me show you guys quickly what is in here. These are my favorite soap. I don't care what anyone says. They're so cheap and affordable, and they smell great. My favorite hairbrush, toothpaste, Day Cactus Fruit 3-in-1 Styling Cream. I have these individual floss. I have my shampoo, conditioner, and my wash, deodorant, body lotion, and then some pasties. In here I have my makeup brushes, and then I just have these hand wipes for when I do my makeup, because I tend to like gravitate towards hand wipes, which is for me to like dab my brush or just wipe my fingers. So I have them in here. Then in here, these are all my skincare. I am really trying my best to stay consistent with my skincare this year, and also just use like one brand, because so far this is what my skin has been loving. Also, these are the best hair ties I've ever used. They're by the brand Gimme, but Kitsch also has them. They're like these black ones, and they're just like the better kind. And then in here, which is like one of the organizers that came in this like clear pouch, I just have all my health stuff. I love the one from Beekeepers. I also have a bunch of their like vitamin C, and then I have a bunch of electrolytes. Guys, whenever I travel, I literally forget to drink water. Also, I'm going to be refilling this with Skin Smart Facial Cleanser. I have the bigger size, and I just refill this for when I travel. There's still a lot, but I want to refill it. And then in this big one, I have my face towels, and then my bathroom toiletries. This is my personal bag on this trip. This one carries so much, and there's so many compartments, which is what I love. I can put my laptop here, my iPad, and then I have like these mini bags. This one has like random stuff in here. Eye drops, lip, floss, like super random things in here. And then on this other one, it has my toiletries. I also have like this Aloha collection bag, which has my wallet and like more of like the important stuff in here. Yeah, I'm gonna fill this up and I'll be done.